getting ready. Tell me, did he finally become the man I'm still trying to be? One day the football stopped, nobody said it would. We just played less until we did it. The surfboard by the wall never asked for much. Just one more morning before the wind changed. The hiking boots still fit, that's the strange part. It wasn't my body that stayed home, it was me. Nobody notices the exact day. Life becomes routine until routine starts replacing memories somewhere. There's another me who didn't wait for life to begin, who didn't spend his best years getting ready. Tell me, did he finally become the man I'm still trying to be? Maybe he still calls first, maybe he still says yes before finding a reason not to. Maybe he still watches sunsets without reaching for his phone. Maybe he leaves work while there's still daylight. Maybe we can still feel different. Maybe he remembers that happiness was never something you schedule. If every choice leaves another version behind, I hope one of us learns sooner that life wasn't asking to be perfect, only live somewhere. There's another me, still laughing without checking the time, still buying tomorrow with today's courage.